Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So something is about to go down. I want to bake a carrot cake in a gingerbread mold. Interesting, eh? So I've gathered all the ingredients and I'm just going to go through the recipe and find out the measurements of what I need and just put them in the different containers, and then I'll continue with my baking. So stay tuned. Let's see how this goes. So I am back. I am done prepping all the ingredients. Oh, let's see if I remember them from the top of my head. I think this is 2 cups sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 cups vegetable oil, 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla essence, sliced dates, these are optional, 3/4 cup raisins soaked in water. Okay, this one is supposed to be in here anyway. And 3 cups of finely grated carrots and 2 cups of baking, actually it's cake flour. So these are all the ingredients. I've already switched on the oven at 175 degrees. I'm preheating and I'm about to start mixing these things. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, so according to this, I should grease the pan. I'm not sure if this pan, okay, I'm just experimenting. Probably the mixture might be more, or probably need to do maybe 2 of them, but let's see how it goes. Okay, I've greased it. I should grease it and flour it. Okay, I guess flour is like sprinkling a bit of flour. Okay, here goes. Okay, I think I should just do something like this. Okay, so this is in preparation for when I'm done. Okay, and this mixture of mine. Okay, so according to the recipe, I should start with the sugar. Right, so that's 2 cups of sugar. Right, and then I mix it. So I'm literally just starting with all the dry ingredients. This looks like it's going to be a lot. Yeah, okay. Then followed by the baking powder. I need to make sure all of it gets in there. Okay, and we mix. Oh Lord, make this work. And then the baking soda. Okay, and we mix it. And to think I almost got a, maybe I should have, but anyway. Yeah, baking soda, then the 1 teaspoon of salt gets in there as well. Oops, this one is doing the job. I mean the bowl, that is, if you've noticed, I accidentally bent it, and I saw another mixing bowl in Checkers for $49, and there was like a nice one for 59 and I was torn in between. I didn't know which one to buy, but I think I'll go back and buy it. I'll see. Then cinnamon. So mix the cinnamon in there. Okay, there goes the cinnamon. Okay, things are they're about to become interesting. Okay, I was just getting a fork. I think I'll need to beat the eggs. Then we add the oil. At this rate, I'm not sure if I'll need my mixer. It doesn't say use a mixer though. Maybe I should bring my whisk. Okay, yeah. I don't think this thing I'm using is doing justice. The spatula is not doing justice at all. I need something a bit thicker to do this mixing. Something a bit thicker to do this mixing. Anyway, yeah, and then I'm supposed to add the eggs. I foresee myself connecting my whisk. No, my mixing machine. Because I would want it to be like proper. Okay, let's see what happens when I add the eggs. The 4 eggs. Here goes all the eggs in there. Okay. Let's see what happens. And this is like the first time I'm baking such a cake. I've never baked a carrot cake in my life. I love experimenting. So let's see what happens. Now I've switched to a fork. I'm supposed to actually add the vanilla essence. Woo. Trying to get everything in there. Oh no, I am so connecting my mixing machine. Because I'm thinking if I add carrots in here, this is going to be tough to mix. It is already tough. I need to add I need to take my my mixing machine so that the stuff mixes well. It just becomes so hard and it's so thick. And I'm so sure. Okay guys, I'm back. I've connected my mixer. It doesn't say anything about using a mixer in the recipe, but then it was becoming tough. I guess it's a bit of cheating. Yo, now I understand why it was never asked to use one. Oh my goodness. Maybe I should just pull out the other one and just use one. But it's mixing it very well. Okay, looks like it's doing a good job. Okay, let's see how it goes. Let me I'm going to add the carrots and then we're going to incorporate the mixer. Okay, let me do this. Yeah, shouldn't drop this thing. Yo, Yanni. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Oh no. Okay, let me take some of this stuff. Lord. Wow, look at that. Why is it Why does it seem so thick? Oh my goodness, this is going to be interesting. To make sure I mix all this stuff and the carrots and everything in here. This dough is so thick. Okay, so I'm going to add the dates, the half cut dates. These are optional. And the stuff is gooey and it's falling all over. Okay. Let me put this thing here. I think I should have just put one thingy. I seriously think the mixer did a good job. I don't think I should use it again though, because it looks crazy already as it is. Is it supposed to be this thick? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to use the mixer again. Oh. Let me just put this out. See if I can take most of the stuff from here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm sure I'm glad I used the mixer. I think it really did do a good job. Just not sure about the texture of the stuff. It just seems a bit too thick. Then again, I also don't know how it's supposed to be. Okay. I think it's ready to pour some of this into my baking tray. Okay. And let's see how this goes. I think it's a lot. Okay. And allow it to spread into the tiny legs. Yeah. To the arm. I don't think it should be too full. I could actually do like 2. And then I can have like top layer. The first thing I baked in my gingerbread made was a carrot cake. What am I going to do with the remaining? Okay, I think I'll do 2 layers. I think the remaining stuff is enough to actually do another one. So let's toss this in the oven and see. Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm putting it in the oven. Was I not supposed to reduce this tray? I think it's too high up. Talk about an unplanned vlog. Take this thing out. It's in. Okay. So I'd put a timer of 30 minutes because I wasn't really sure because of the kind of pan I used. So I didn't want it to stay for long, and the timer has just gone off, and yeah, I don't even have my wig. Whew, this thing is hot shit. Okay, let me take it out. Oh la la. Oh my goodness, guys. Actually, he's looking like a little gingerbread man. Look at the result. Wow. I need to allow this to cool. I'm not sure why it cracked. Oh, but I need to check I need a toothpick to check if it's really all nicely baked. But this is how it looks like so far. And I had already started washing my utensils, everything I used, so that these dishes do not accumulate. Let me get a toothpick. Okay, let's see. It's deep. Oh, it's dry. It is dry. I think it's well baked. Looks like it's well baked. I'm just going to allow it to cool off, and then we'll take it from there. Stay tuned, I will show you the end result. I'm going to put another one in the oven once this one is cooled off, and then I take it out. I'll put the remainder of the mixture into this tray and put it back in the oven. So guys, the first gingerbread man is ready. It is cooled off. I've taken it out of the tray. Not bad for a first attempt, but I think my dough was a bit thick. That's why maybe there are these cracks here. So I am ready for tea with my friend Tinashe tomorrow. So we have our teapot and our teacups. We are going to be spilling the tea tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment. Please do comment. It does so much good to the channel. See you next time. Bye.